Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm cooking with the Ooni Koda 12, and for the first time in a very long time I'm going to be using this Ooni Classic Peel to cook the pizza with. If you're beginning with pizza cooking, you might find turning a bit of a challenge. This was the first peel I ever used, and I'm not sure if I hope they still make this peel, because it is actually a fantastic peel to start off cooking pizza with. You can launch and cook your pizza with this peel. It's very light, very thin. I'm going to use it again. I feel like I'm going back in time. I film with my left and I use my right hand to turn, so it's going to be a bit awkward, but I'm going to give it a go. Made my pizza, and I'm just going to check the temperature of the stone. I've also got to be a bit careful today, because even though it's not very windy, there's some gusts going and it's sort of hitting the back of my oven. It's quite unusual for that to happen, but it's somehow coming from this really weird angle, so it could blow into the crust. Yeah, I think it's ready to cook. So I've turned the flame down because I am having a few gusts now. It's just not worth burning my crust to get a fast cook. Okay, let's get this salami pizza in. This is the first time I've used this peel for ages. I haven't used this off camera, so this is going to be the first time I've used this in a really long time, so I hope it works. I couldn't wait to use it. Actually, I was thinking the other day, I really would like to get my little peel out for nostalgic reasons and see how it cooks. Oh, I don't know if this was such a good idea. I did it. Something's sticking on there. I think my dough's gone sticky. Great thing is, you can turn it round. I can't. Ow. It does misshape your pizza, I find, when you turn it by hand, because I can see I've gone from a round shape now to a slightly oval shape, but if you don't mind that, then that's going to be fine. And also, where I've been pulling it, then I think I've lowered the crust rim with my fingers, but that's nothing much either, to be honest. And ow, burning finger a bit, but it's only for a few seconds. And I think we are done. I made this video before cooking for the first time with the Ooni Fyra 12. I wanted to test out the peel because I'm going to be using it for that cook, but I wanted to give it a quick try because I haven't used it for a good 2 years. Found it really easy to use, even with one hand, which is how I film. It's interesting that I've gone back to that peel, and it worked, and it didn't really misshape the pizza as much as I thought it would. It was only a slight misshape. Cooked really well. I had it on 3/4 flame. It's a 283 gram dough ball. I know that's a random number, but that's how it that's how it came out on the scales. It's my homemade pizza dough that I make regularly, so if you want the recipe for that, it's in the description box below. And it's also on my blog, gottoeatpizza.com. Boom. Of the edging cooked well and the crusts cooked well. Let's give this a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.